Hello, everyone, and welcome to how to use MetaMask. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is actually download MetaMask. So head over to metamask.io. You will then be greeted with this screen, a crypto wallet and gateway to blockchain apps. So you're going to go ahead and you're going to click download now. It's then going to prompt you to download to your browser. So I'm using Google Chrome, therefore it's prompting me install MetaMask for Chrome. Obviously, if you're using a different browser, you can just download to that browser. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click install. And what you're then going to be greeted with is just a pop-up of what you're actually installing, right? So it shows us MetaMask, we can see their reviews, we can see how many users they have, and you'll then just click add to Chrome or add to whichever browser you're using. And then lastly, you're then going to click add extension. Okay, so this is just allowing MetaMask to be an extension on your browser. It also then gives you a brief list of what MetaMask can do. So once you've done that and that's finished downloading, you will now have MetaMask downloaded. And what you need to do next is then create a MetaMask wallet. So it's going to pop up, welcome to MetaMask. So if you go ahead and click get started, you're then going to be greeted with two things, right? On the right-hand side, if you are a beginner, you're going to click yes, let's get set up. And as this is a beginner's how-to video, this is the choice that most of you are going to make. However, just for future reference, on the left where it does say no, this is if, for example, you got a new device and you needed to download MetaMask again on your new device and link it there. Okay, so if you already had a MetaMask wallet and you were then linking it to a new device. Okay, but for this example, as a beginner, you would go ahead and click create a wallet. Now, once you've done that, you'll create yourself a password, minimum of 8 characters. You'll then confirm that password and tick the terms and conditions. So I've read and agreed to the terms of use. Now, of course, the terms of use are there for you to click and have a read through, and then you'll click create. Now, once you've done that, you're then going to get a screen with a 1.5 minute long video. Now, it's very important for you to watch this video because it explains how MetaMask is securing your wallet and protecting the security of your wallet, okay? And it's done through a secret recovery phrase. And it explains, what this secret recovery phrase is. It's a 12-word phrase that you'll need to note down and make sure you keep somewhere safe, okay? So once you've watched this video, it's then going to show you your secret recovery phrase. So you'll take time to get that noted down somewhere. And then it's going to ask you to confirm your secret recovery phrase. So you'll see 12 empty white boxes and 12 blue boxes with your recovery words. Now, obviously, for security's sake, I have whited out my boxes. You would then just select each phrase in order to make sure that you've noted it down correctly. Once you've done that, you'll go ahead and click confirm, and that will be you set up. You've got your MetaMask downloaded, you have your wallet created. So the next thing is learning how to use your MetaMask and navigating through MetaMask. Now, before we do that, it's just important to note, especially if you are new, what MetaMask is able to do. Well, you're able to purchase and hold tokens from different network chains like BSC, the Binance Smart Chain, and Ethereum. And also, you can actually connect MetaMask to other smart chains like PancakeSwap, for example, Uniswap, etc. Okay, so once you are on your MetaMask, the first thing you're going to want to do is actually add it as an extension onto your browser. Right now, we've done that in the previous step, but you want to make sure you actually pin it. Now, what this means is, on this screenshot you see next to the puzzle piece, which is here, you can already see to the left of that the Fox icon, the MetaMask icon. Now, that's because I already have MetaMask as an extension on my Google Chrome. So once you click the puzzle piece and then click pin, you too will also have MetaMask as an icon. So when you want to access your wallet, you simply need to click that. Okay, now, an important feature of your MetaMask is actually your wallet address. So as soon as you click your Fox icon at the top, it's going to by default say account 1. Now, if you would like to personalize this, change it to your name or your nickname, you can simply go to settings and click the little pencil icon to change it to a name of your choice. Okay, but underneath it is your wallet address. Okay, so this is your unique wallet address. So if you're sending funds to your MetaMask, this is going to be the wallet address you copy. Okay, now one of the features I want to quickly show you is how to send on MetaMask. So when you actually click the button send, it's going to ask you send to where. It's then going to give you a space where you can paste the address that you are sending it to. Now, once you've done that, okay, and here's an example of half of an address, but once you paste that in there, it's going to show you new address detected. Now, this bit is quite good because if this is going to be an address you're using frequently, that you'll be sending to frequently, you can actually click that and add it to your address book. You'll give it a name so that way it's easy for you to locate next time. Now, underneath, it'll then it'll be the asset that you are sending. Okay, so you obviously select the asset you're sending and the amount you're going to send, and then you would simply click next and then confirm the purchase. Now, if you are going to swap coins or tokens on MetaMask, okay, what you would simply do is click swap. You'll then get this screen here. So what you are swapping from. So for example, in this particular example, if I were going to swap Ethereum, I would then put the amount I wanted to swap, and then I can select what I'm going to swap it to. Okay, so I can search a token, or I can simply scroll down and find the token I'm wanting to swap. Okay, now the last thing I'm going to show you is how to add contract addresses. Now, before we do that though, I'm going to show you how to add the Binance Smart Chain network. Because when you open up your MetaMask, it's going to automatically have the Ethereum network, which will allow you to swap or hold tokens on the Ethereum network. But in order to access tokens on the BSC network, we need to simply add it to your MetaMask. And then I'm going to go on CoinGecko.com and show you how you can then add those contract addresses to your MetaMask. So I'm just going to minimize my screen here, and I am going to show you how to add BSC. So up on my MetaMask, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click it to open it. Okay, now once I have clicked it, okay, automatically yours is going to show here, right, that we're on the Ethereum main net. Okay, so when you click that, okay, now you can see I have the smart chain, but I'm going to show you how I added that. So you simply come down here and click add network. Okay, so then it's going to expand for you, so you can add in the Binance Smart Chain details, and I'm going to show you where you can find that as well. But the network name is Smart Chain. The chain ID is 56. Now it's showing it's currently in use. That's because I've already added it. Yours isn't going to say that. The currency symbol is BNB. So now I just need to retrieve the RPC URL and the Block Explorer URL. So I'm going to find that on the Binance Academy. Okay, so I've already got it open here. It's academy.binance.com. The top of it's going to look something like this. Excuse me. And then you're going to scroll down and it is here. Okay, so I'm going to copy the RPC URL and I will paste it here, and then I'll go back and I'll copy the Block Explorer URL. Okay, now once you've done that, okay, yours is going to say save. Again, I already have it added, so yours is going to say save though. So you're going to go ahead and you're going to click save. Okay, now I'm going to reopen MetaMask, and what you can now do, now that you've added BSC, you'll be able to switch between these networks, right? So again, automatically it's on Ethereum mainnet, and you can tell because obviously we have the Ethereum logo here. Okay, but if I switch over to Smart Chain, I'm now going to see the Binance logo here and BNB. Okay, so this is how you can tell you are now on that particular network. Okay, so now that we have BSC added, I'm going to show you how you can add contract contract addresses. Now this is going to work the same for any tokens on the Ethereum network as well as the BSC network. But for right now, I'm just going to show you an example from the BSC network. So if I go to BNB and let me just click BNB Cash. Okay, so once you've clicked your token, it's going to actually show you contract right here. Okay, with the contract address. Now, it's super simple because you already have MetaMask. You've got MetaMask right here. Okay, so add to MetaMask. I apologize for that noise in the background. So add to MetaMask. Okay, it's then going to ask you, you can see obviously the token here, add token. Okay, now if I open up my MetaMask again, there we go. So you can now see it has been added. Okay, so you are now all set to go on your MetaMask. I hope this video was useful. Take care.